Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video I will show you how to check Hutch SIM balance. So let's start. If you not subscribe our YouTube channel, please subscribe us and follow this video. I am starting this video. I will show you how to check your Hutch SIM balance. I will tell you two methods. First one is open your dial pad. Simply open your dial pad from your phone and type star 344 hash. If you dial this code star 344 hash, then OK from your mobile, your balance will be show on your screen. Second method is that open the message, then type here BAL and send it 344, so your balance will be show on your screen. So it is the method to see your balance, check your balance on Hutch SIM. Thanks for watching.